yam line define to we album there. Karigumba L is 1 unit or boka. Aduga A is 1 or Aduita di rose R way. Go. Na roga arga. In a resistivity ni, it's a resistance ni. Define the way on a technique. Resistivity of a conductor is defined as the resistance of the conductor offered by a unit cube of that material na high unit cube of material na offer to resistance to go between resistivity. Let me write this one. Resistivity is the resistance offered by a unit cube of a material. So basic difference between resistivity and resistance ka khena se amatang high resistivity it does not depends on the dimension of the conductor. Dimension da hadi length amasung cross section area da depend on the resistivity. For example, resistivity of nichrome will be remain constant. Like nichrome we have 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. May say yun ohm meter na height say. Adugumba poto nichrome ge heta de constant na lerani. Copper ge heta constant na lerani. Aduna this resistivity does not depend on the dimension of the conductor, whereas resistance T depends on the conductor dimension depend on. So that is the basic difference. Aduna Sigi Go Sigi SI unit TP web SI unit of rho Z ohm meter. And symbol the ohm meter is my high. Okay. Now resistance, resistivity, height of coming in and low, right? So these are the things we have met, we have learned in the earlier class. Aduna Sigi resistivity and resistance there. The combination of resistance kind of like that. Then a resistors I tell you normal the serpene. Aduna resistors ki color code of resistor carbon ki color code resistors in the UOLE. Aduna high resistors in the color code magi resistance kya lege 2 ohms labra 3 ohms labra high potential kona lakani. Now before that Matima Manga Queen Amanda Targa topic drip velocity and some high report. See this screenshot material Lahora. Okay. This is the beginning of the important part of the topic. Velocity VV in a type of conductors is the electrons in it. Potential difference be a kind of chum electrons is a commit another electron collide on a building massive. There are a number of electrons here. So this is electric field P dormant. Electric field means negative and positive on the potential difference developed out the electric field fission barriers of money. Electric field that we have done earlier in unit number 1. And electrons is minus another electron ngai kan kitang maning halle pass adai the electron se musmana musatle aduna electron na positive terminal on the chungbogi velocity du ko ni ke ko he kan da drift velocity na hai ana drift velocity se ko na define the book and kamai to ge kan da it is the velocity by which an electron is drifted towards the positive terminal. The velocity of an electron by which the velocity by which an electron drifted towards the positive terminals so electric field am later and positive negative line because electric field is a vector quantity aduna is called okay hai kanda drift velocity ten by definition of the EVA. So now drift velocity is a kind of expression of those. Ten by expression. Kayo which only no. Definite direction is at pro maze. And kayo which only no have put in. And the kind of charge the property the like charge repels and like charge attracts a high given now. Mondo kayo electric field will be target electron negative charge to now. Kadong masana sa patay hai kanda positive charge on the pata ne aduna electrons is pasna chatra hai taragadi sumna khiyana laminar flow of the chatte amada mu thingai ne ga hanjala ga mu chom si electrons ba ana sigi batte ki timing jina electron amana atopa another charge particle amra thomaga madugi collide tawra matungda amu handaraga the time between two successive collisions do maduguna koina ko to he kanda relaxation time hai ro thun ko adana koina expression to kanda koina electron mayam lower say like let us take go n number of electrons in conductor ko conductor on the lower side. Adu itaragadi koina sigi electrons the electric field ma p taragadi edo ge hai kana koina electrostatic the electric field se kamai haige electric field may be defined as the force acting per unit charge na haige ko haige ko and sigi force acting per unit charge in case of the electrons to be force acting per unit per electrons na high down an electron p the force kya ho force combine function hai do force on each electron ko due to e capital E is an electric field not to ko and c is the kind of higher f equal to say the kind f equal to e high so f equal to e. This is the force experienced by one of the electron, and also we know that force ke mass into acceleration. So Newton the second law of the force mass into acceleration se adana segi de koina kamai ni be hai bukanda equation 1 2 na thambiram se ko now acceleration of its electron electronomic acceleration se kamai pv hai ado kanda a is equal to f by m na lani ado itadi f to the ko ke mana gare e by so sigi acceleration is acceleration that means the rate of change of velocity have an adu itadi they are sending the direction and velocity Hung by the term hungane, either by increasing or decreasing the magnitude or by changing the direction of the motion. When you say the electrons exhibit that electron become accelerated. So that acceleration is given by E by M. Very cool. Other third, let state tau 1, tau 2 may am higher again. Tau Z, Sinaka never be the relaxation time. So relaxation time, highly cable inside you go. That is the time lapse between two collisions of between any two successive there successive collision high level go. That is the relaxation time. Say that when Newton equation of motion so V1, that is the velocity of first electron. V is equal to U plus AP in a relation of and say the U1 has a, that is the initial velocity plus A. Just we put A is equal. Second time set, put relaxation time doing a lower the book tau 1. So I thought the V2, V3 may am a late go. V and over later is UN plus A tau N. There you go. But then see the screenshot of the logo, but the studio. See Makasum Lake, A in the center. So please take a screenshot. Now, average velocity is average velocity है तभी मसाले electron में आम मागे velocity में आम दुगी average लोग को दुनिया कोई ना drip velocity average velocity ना है जिसे को अदुना average velocity है जिसे केमने तेरे साथ drip velocity दुनिया को सी का ये माना है नी V1 plus V2 up to कदाई होगा Vn. So V1 V2 is क्या V1 is the velocity of the first electron, that is the second conductor the electron में आम दुगी velocity में आम दुगी मिल लो है करेगा how many electrons were there? N number of electrons. 9 n. Okay. Now was it V1 V2 Vn sigi value the replace of solani V1 के मायने higher नहीं U1 plus A tau 1 then V2D the acceleration will be same plus U2 plus A tau 2 divided by the UN number n. How do we say in the U1 plus U2 plus up to UN over common local. So n divided also lot. So let's have a second now. When my plus level plus minus A tau 1 plus A tau 2 up to kadai boba A tau n boba. Just to lo. Smile. Do that if someone expressions that you can open the C parts C parts 0 is a key. It will be 0 is a no high can be. The initial velocity of that electrons do not randomly without the application of the external electric field feeding it random motion the later aggressive initial velocity the electron is not starting to move in a definite direction another part of zero and clear with the initial velocity of that electrons before the application of the electric field potential difference P3 electrons in the definite direction the chatting header my initial velocity is 0 guitar in mathematics part 0 guitar 0 on kumdara ani ko adu ita de pin layer is that a so something hapong ge a ko lo ko yare tau 1 plus tau 2 plus up to kuda bo tau and tau have the no pin the relaxation time have to go adu ne sige mayam se shidi average relaxation time have an echo and average relaxation time have the relaxation time of each of the electron taking on an average having a electrons in the relaxation time the average lower puda mother quick in a replace to we down replace to go adu ita the quick stage the relation of a v is equal to e down e is quick acceleration I go acceleration of each of the electrons that is given by a later say the EEM go. So this is the charge of the electron. E electric field go. E tau by M. So this is the relation. So now at last we find here when you find out the way V is equal to A sorry E tau by M. So this is the relation of drift velocity where E is the source of the electron, E capital is the electric field applied, tau no have the average relaxation time, and this M sig M no have this is the mass of the electrons. So in the next class we'll be dealing with these things, relation between drift velocity and electric current, and which then say temperature dependence ki calculate the way our part me hori do maga hydroni now current density ko then adi for what who work for the coming classes in the upload to thank you.